south of Yorkshire, innovation meets sustainability. Welcome to Schneider Electric's Leeds Smart Factory, where the future of energy is being built. Introducing the Ringmaster AirSeT, a next-generation SF6 free medium voltage switchgear, proudly manufactured right here in the UK. Designed to support the journey to net zero, Ringmaster AirSeT replaces harmful SF6 gas with pure air and vacuum technology, delivering zero global warming potential. Backed by a £7.2 million investment, the Leeds facility is a hub of green manufacturing. It's home to over 550 skilled professionals, driving the UK's energy transition forward. Every unit is built with precision, tested on site, and ready to power the UK's most demanding infrastructure, from smart cities to renewable energy hubs. With smart grid integration, remote diagnostics, and a 30-year design life, the Ringmaster AirSeT is more than a product. It's a platform for the future. Made in Leeds, made for the UK, Ringmaster AirSeT, the smart, sustainable switchgear powering tomorrow's grid.